Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to integrate Google Tag Manager on your WordPress site. This is our e-commerce site. I will use this is our client project. In this video I am connecting with Google Tag Manager. I already connected Google Tag Manager. If I just show you how it is work. No worry, just a minute. I'm going to Google Tag Manager and I already integrated this site, but I will share you how to integrate Google Tag Manager GTM on your website. This is I already set up this one, and I'm going to preview mode option. Just select this option, and here you can see preview mode. And if I click the preview mode, then I just use this website URL. Okay, copy this one and paste here. So here you can see already Google Tag Manager is connected with my website. So how you implement on your Google website? Just search my channel. I'm in top rated digital marketing expert, and if you come to the video option, then here you can see in the below option Google Tag Manager setup with Google Tag Manager setup. Here you can see Google Tag Manager integration with WordPress site. So I will share this video on the description.
Hello.
You can follow this video and integrate it very easily on your website. Thank you so much for watching this video.